Alright, what's going on everyone? So I'm right now here with Ben and Ian, and basically what I got for y'all today, I almost forgot the most important part, but I'm not gonna do that. What I got for everybody today is I have a designer mystery box. Stuff inside it's from like 2003 or older. I mean, it's some pretty old stuff in here. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to show you guys this because some pretty cool stuff. But this video is also a little partnership, little deal that I'm doing right now with Mom on Grilled. I'm gonna let it focus, so hopefully it will. But if you guys can see that, his Instagram is also at Grilled Mom. Yeah, he basically sells a bunch of legit designer and stuff for really good deals on Grilled. And another thing to mention is that he has the most transactions out of anybody ever on Grilled. So don't even question that this stuff's not legit. Like, y'all can look for yourself. This man's done 6,000 transactions. I mean, that's about as legit as it gets, and he's still 5 stars, over 4,000 reviews. Like, that's insane to even think about. So this is a really insane opportunity for me. Okay, my stuff's dropping. So yeah, it's an insane opportunity for me. I'm really excited to do it, and we're gonna get into this. So I'm gonna stop shaking this, and we're just gonna get into it. So subscribe if you're new, and drop a like in this video too. See, we need 100 likes, so drop a like right now. And y'all can follow them down below too, because I'm gonna put both their Instagrams there. We're gonna get into it. We got some fire, so let's get started. All right, so I'm about to open this. I'm just gonna basically, you know. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna do a little thumbnail thing right here.
Got scissors.
I don't care if I have scissors. You guys should give me that. Yeah, you read the thank you next.
Thank you. Issue with the order, please.
Boom, he even got cards. And he even got his own logo.
Oh, his graphic?
Yeah, like,
fire.
get in this man's level, y'all. Come on, man. Alright, but we see some stuff right here inside the box, so I'm gonna let the people see it. Looks like a belt to me from the inside. I'm holding it like this, and that can be it right there. But basically, what we got in here is we got some pretty crazy stuff. He bubble wrapped it all, so you know none of it got damaged. But we got a few things in this mystery box. We'll set this down. I wonder what, this is some stuff I don't even know. This looks pretty crazy to me. Yeah. But alright, so we got something from Balenciaga to start it off. I have no information or clue what this could even be, but right here, y'all see this? Balenciaga Paris? Sounds like
Balenciaga Legos.
I'm trying to think. Hold up. Alright, y'all ready? I'm gonna let everybody see this. Alright, so this is some Balenciaga golf tees. Alright.
Oh.
Hold up. I got some Balenciaga golf tees. That's actually kind of sick. And then what else is this right here? Some Louis stuff? Alright, hold up. So let me educate. Alright, and we got a Balenciaga golf ball. I'm gonna let y'all see this. Okay, this is actually fire. Hold up. This is interesting, but yeah, Balenciaga golf ball. This one's actually pretty dope. I mean, I've never seen this. I don't know too much. This is pretty. Cool. This is actually pretty cool. This is a collaboration. Balenciaga just made some golf balls, y'all. Yeah, guys, look, I have the look. Listen. What I got. All right, so I got my tees. I got my ball. Plan my next video coming up. But no, you probably not gonna be able to guess it because it's gonna involve me destroying stuff probably. That's a hobby of mine, I guess. But next up here, we got the LV wrapping on it, but I'm not sure what this is, so I'm gonna open it carefully. All right, this looks like a little hand mirror, a little Louis Vuitton hand mirror. This one's pretty sick. So yeah, basically we got LV hand mirror. I think this one's pretty sick. So y'all can see me filming right now. Can y'all? Oh no, it's just gonna create an illusion. But y'all see that? This is cool. It's got the little, I mean, you're probably not gonna be able to see it because it's gonna look weird, but you may be able to see it focusing right there in the Louis Vuitton Paris. And it's got the little thing right there. You know, I guess I could be using this, but I don't know. Yeah, maybe. What y'all think? Should I use that?
It's kind of dope.
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm happy about it. I'm happy that I'm getting this stuff. Like, it's just some pretty cool stuff that I'm actually getting because I haven't seen any of it before. But next up, oh shoot, this one is crazy. Louis Vuitton lock and key. Fire. This is fire. I know this is worth something too, and I've seen this. And this can go on my chain. So, gonna be trying that for sure. Look at this. This is dope. I'm actually like hyped. Shout out Mom. Yeah, Mom. Not my mom. She didn't buy this, alright? So all y'all in my comments that think that, I'm gonna slap every single one of you. Alright, the Grailed user. Shout out to him. Most transactions ever, but y'all can see this. Louis Vuitton Paris is some light fire. I was not expecting this. But this isn't even the main thing because we have like a belt of some sorts here. What up? I'm filming a vid right now. Alright, so basically what I got right here is we got the Louis bag right here. And what we got,
oh my god.
Murakami belt from 2003? Yeah, 03. This is Rainbow Louis Vuitton, as you can see. I'm gonna try this on right now. I got one belt right here, the little belt right here. Mr. Murakami. We got the band from Louis Vuitton. Yeah. Alright, so I'll mess with this one, y'all. You got the little gold buckle, and basically it's just a rainbow LV. What y'all think?
It's It's fire.
Yeah, this has been one of my favorite Louis collections for a while, so I'm really hyped to get this. But that's all the stuff in the box. So what we get, we got the Murakami belt from 03. Some pretty old Balenciaga golf balls, I'm assuming, because I've never seen them. And then we also got this one is crazy. Louis Vuitton lock. This is actually insane. Been seeing this, but I mean, yeah, made in France, Louis Vuitton, Paris. This one's insane. And we got the hand mirror, which this one's cool, you know, in case I guess I'm not looking fresh one day. Look at myself. And then, yeah, some golf tees in case I'm actually ever trying to go play golf. So shout out Girl Mom. This one's dope. Shout out him. And yeah, I wasn't expecting all this, but we got some Balenciaga, some Louis. And yeah, this is actually this one I haven't really been showing too much love, I think, but this one's actually pretty insane. So shout out him. This was a dope video, and I got to do it with my boy Ian right here,
Yes, sir.
my boy Ben. So that's all I'm really gonna say for this video. I'm not gonna say too much more. You follow them both down below, and me too if y'all want to. It's all linked down in the description, and I'm gonna put all of the girl guys information down there too, because shout out to him, he really hooked it up. Also the dope bag to come with it. So I'm Tristan. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Subscribe below if you're new, and also drop a like. See me at 100 likes. I'm gonna do more stuff like this, maybe give away some of the stuff, because I mean I got some stuff pretty cool here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.